wait lang. Hello! Welcome to our room tour of the... Ulit. Hi! Welcome back to my channel, and we will be having our first ever room tour of the year 2020. Let me take this off because there's no one around here but just me and my parents. So, this hotel room is hotel in Tagaytay City, and it overlooks Taal Lake. And stay until the end because you will see the $1 million view here in Tagaytay. So this hotel, its name is Villa Ibarra, and this is a birthday present for my mom, and she is very surprised. And I am very, very excited to show this to you. So let's get inside. Start, I want to remind you, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and comment below on what you think about this very beautiful attic room. This is an attic room, by the way. So first of all, this is the kitchen side. So we have a thermos, the usual side in the hotel. We have a TV here, and I think that's the router. So there's also Wi-Fi here, and then we have a 4-layer drawer, and this is our refrigerator. I don't know if it's on yet. No, it's not on yet. So let's move on. And we have this is the instruction for the preventive measures for COVID-19. So always wear a face mask, but we are in a room, so I took it off. And then we have shelves over here, and the furnishings of this room is all wood. So all wood lovers, you would love this. And as you can see, the outline of this room is an attic theme because we are in the attic. I will show it to you later how we reached this room. We went to the main stairs and then went to the spiral staircase. It was very steep and very, very narrow. So we have two queen beds over here. One over here and one over there. Yeah. Oh, and there's a safe over here that you can use your, you can put your valuables, and another wooden shelf. And there's an aircon over there, but we're in Tagaytay, so I don't know if we will be using that. And then let's move over here. This is the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, and it's an enclosed space. It's a glass space. And oh, look at this. It's just now that I have noticed it. Can you see this one? It's old-fashioned, what do you call this? Fashion, you know, like that button. And then there's the toilet bowl, and there's the sink, and they also have toiletries. They have a blow dryer, a face towel, toothbrush, and a mirror, of course. So, are you excited for the $1 million view? So, I got this mainly because of the view. And subscribe to my channel, comment below, and like this video. Okay, come on. We also have a table over here made with rattan. This is very popular here in the Philippines. Behind me is the $1 million view. And it's already nighttime here, so I can't really show you the view, but it's still very beautiful, and I'm gonna show it to you tomorrow what it looks like in the morning and in the afternoon and in the evening. But for now, I want to show to you what it looks like at night. So come on. So we have our own balcony, and we have what do you call this, table that's good for 4 people, and it's made of glass, and it's also rattan. And then it's very, very spacious. Like you can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner over here, and you have the view of the Taal Lake over there. Of course, it's nighttime, so you won't be able to see it. So this is Tagaytay. So this is our last day here in Villa Ibarra, and we had an amazing time. We perfectly love the location, and our room just overlooks the lake. We have our own balcony. We can do our own thing in the balcony and fly our drone, and the staff is really very helpful and very hospitable. They basically help us with our check-in and help our stay be more comfortable, and they are very kind and very helpful. If we do encounter any problems, they will kindly help us. And yes, I would really recommend this Villa Ibarra. So Villa Ibarra is only a 7-room bed and breakfast, so that makes their service more personal and more at niche in their customer. In our stay, they hosted 2 events, 2 weddings, and I can see their service is impeccable to their customers. So yes, this Villa Ibarra is really made a mark in our hearts, and it really made our stay here in Tagaytay very memorable. It made my mom's birthday very memorable, and we will surely come back if we can. So I gotta go because we need to check out, and thank you for watching this vlog, and see you in my next vlog. Bye!